Hey people, see who I have with me. This little girl. We got her yesterday because actually, like I said, rabbits are one species that you are never sure. Yeah, they are there with you one day, they are not there the next. It's actually that the pet shop where we get these rabbits from, they have these rabbits that are just 1 month old, so when they are actually so tiny, when they are just 1 month old, they really shouldn't be separated from their the mother. But the thing is, rabbits, once they are 2 months old, they become like toddlers, so they are very busy. So it's so they don't get adopted, like so that's why many of these pet shops adopt get these rabbits at 1 month old. So that's how we got this little girl. And no, the thing is, when you get rabbits that are so tiny, they may not survive, but what I feel is, they are better off with us than being at a pet shop crammed in this whole cage. So anyway, I just thought I had to make this short video. And I'll it's a busy day ahead. It's 8:20 in the morning as I'm recording this, and I finished my bath, I'm all dressed and ready. I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.